Well, we just pulled into Cuervo. I'm sure I'm probably not pronouncing that right. There's a sign here that says no parking anytime, but I don't know where the hell we're supposed to park. Cuervo is a ghost town. I'm not sure when and where. There's a blanket laying out here. Could you get inside this church? Nope. They ain't letting you in the church, that's for sure. It's a pretty good sized ghost town. This looks like an old train car. I believe that is. I wonder if it was a train car they turned into a living quarters, or if this was a... Yeah, they got a house built on the back of it. Watch out for the cactus. I'm gonna get back here and look at this old car. There's a good sized cactus. Some more cacti on the ground. Those buildings over there look like they got new roofs on them. Wonder if they are existing structures. Looks like a Chevy, maybe. I don't know. Hard to tell. So this was Cuervo. Here we got a house. They just put barbed wire up around it. And that was probably true to the day. I have no idea what that's supposed to say. We got cactus everywhere. It's a cool old house. It was just still Cuervo, part of the ghost town. Of course, we got private property on this one. Looks like an old Malibu in the back there. Oh crap, there's a deer. I thought, what the hell is that? Look at him looking at us. Hey fella. Don't know if I got him in frame or not because the glare on my lens. Hey Val. Deer coming your way. Check out this deer. He's standing here looking at me. This looks like it might have been a store front. Maybe a barber shop, who knows? Somebody research Cuervo. See what kind of stores was at the edge of Cuervo. All that's left of that building is the roof. I would bet this was a mining town at one point. Looks like a cobblestone corner there. Well, I bet it was an oil town because there's a bunch of oil rigs back there. Sorry about that. Bet it was an oil town. Probably. Boy. It's a long walk back to the motorcycles. I didn't realize I was that far away. Well, let me explain something. This right here is Route 66. And this is about the amount of traffic that we've seen on 66 about the whole time through Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico so far. Now this is an awesome road to travel. It's a little rough. It's a lot rough in some places. It's not bad in others. Not a highway you want to run 80 on, I'll tell you that. But you can run 65 or so. Here's the issue. The GPSs want to put you on 40. And if you turn off your GPS to turn off the interstates, then on the exits where it switches over to the other side of the interstate, it wants to take you 20 miles out of the way. So all I can tell you is keep your eyes peeled for historic Route 66 signs and just drive and enjoy the day, because you're going to do a lot of backtracking. If you want to stay on 66, you're going to do a lot of backtracking to see stuff, because you will definitely be chasing your tail. And at some point you have to get on 40, but if you take this trip, you'll see hardly no traffic on this poor old highway. And I sure wish to God they would renovate some of these old gas stations and pull people off that main highway where all them trucks run over to this highway to get gas, and they might travel it more. And the more it gets traveled, the more it'll get new businesses. And the more new businesses on Route 66 are just bringing stuff back to our heritage. Our mothers, fathers, grandmothers, great-grandmothers, great-grandfathers, great traveled this road. And I don't know why we can't. Everybody wants to get up and get on that highway and bypass everything in America. And that's not what we're about, folks. We're about Harleys, God, places to go, places to see. So, y'all slow down a little bit. I'm getting up there a little bit. I missed a lot of this stuff as a kid because I was running amok. Everybody quit running amok and slow down a little bit and look around. That's all you got to do. And trust me, you'll enjoy life a lot more.